$300 when you buy select tires with financing. Les Schwab Tires, doing the right thing since 1952. Limited time offer, terms and conditions apply. See leschwab.com/sale for details.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Safeway with great news. You can earn Safeway rewards with each purchase you make. Then use your rewards for discounts on groceries or up to 20 cents off per gallon in gas rewards at participating Chevron or Texaco stations and up to $1 off per gallon at participating Safeway fuel stations. Not a member? Register for an account with your phone number at checkout and start earning rewards today. Restrictions and exclusions apply. Learn more at safeway.com/for-you. This is Stephanie from Safeway, and we'll see you soon.
Apocalypse. Conservatives clean up the mess and then the cycle repeats. I'll explain what I mean in a second. I don't want anybody to freak out. Getting a bunch of emails from people. Oh, I can't believe you're spinning this thing. I'm not spinning anything. I'm telling you the reality of what happened. You're spinning it by suggesting we didn't lose. We won the House. We didn't lose. That's a fact. Folks, our world is getting crazier. The stakes are always getting higher, and elections are right around the corner. Big days are ahead, but wouldn't it be nice to go back to the good old days? Legacy Box transports you back to your glory days so you can rewatch and experience your family's past. Legacy Box is the simplest and safest way to digitize all of your aging videotapes, camcorder tapes, film reels, and pictures so they're preserved forever. Paula and I sent a box of old wedding photos, and the results were amazing. We love reliving those memories, so do the kids. You owe it to your family to safeguard your memories. Digitize your memories with Legacy Box. Grab some popcorn, gather the family, and revisit the good old days. Plus, for a limited time, we're offering a special edition sale. For a limited time, Legacy Box is offering our listeners an exclusive offer. Go to legacybox.com/DanB to shop this incredible deal. That's legacybox.com/DanB.
Dan Bongino. You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Sorry, we are my apologies, folks, for any kind of what appears to be like technical disruptions. It's not, no, it's not Paula. No, it's me. I should have told Paula earlier. We went through like a really nasty hurricane here yesterday, and everything is jerry-rigged. We got, what is that thing you call the hotspot? We're like running some of this stuff on hotspots and everything. We've got like Inspector Gadget MacGyver in here. You know, MacGyver with a Swiss Army knife trying to keep us on the air. I'm trying to look at Jim through the Skype. So, because I don't want to take the day off. I'm sorry. It's too important to talk to you about this. I've been through this before. Many of you have too. Many of you were through the dreadful early 1980s, late 70s. Many of you lived through what happened in New York City. Many of you lived through the urban rot and decay brought about by liberal policies. And what happened? Folks, eventually, as I said to you yesterday, the Ben Stein quote, the Herb Stein, what can't continue won't. This can't continue. Eventually, people, the personal cost to them from the forest fire, cancerous rot of liberalism becomes too much to bear. It breaks them of the tribal allegiance to the Democrat Party. They try something different, and it works too well. Why are you buying gold from Birch Gold right now? What is it about the market that scares you? Why does gold provide you security and peace of mind? Inflation continues to be a plague in our economy, our families, and our savings. And the irresponsible spending from the left just continues to exacerbate the problem. Don't be over-leveraged in the stock market, and don't let your savings wither away. Hedge inflation with gold from Birch Gold like I do. That's right, I buy gold from Birch Gold, and you can too. And listen to this. If you text Bongino, B-O-N-G-I-N-O, to 989898 for your free information kit on gold, you'll get a free gold bar with any purchase by December 22nd. But you have to claim your offer by Black Friday. Don't allow the left to devalue your savings. Text Bongino to 989898. Claim your free information kit from Birch Gold. You could own physical gold and silver in a tax-sheltered retirement account, and Birch Gold will help you do it. When you place an order by Friday, December 22nd, Birch Gold will send you a free gold bar. Text Bongino to 989898. Secure your future with gold. Do it today. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Message and data rates apply.
Dan Bongino. You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
We'll take a look at KSFO traffic. Stop and go traffic in San Lorenzo, 238 northbound. Just before the southbound 880 connector, we have a stalled vehicle blocking the right lane. It looks like it might have been involved in an earlier crash. Traffic is stop and go from the 580 split. The San Mateo Bridge, 92 westbound at the toll plaza. We have a two-car crash. It has been cleared from lanes. All lanes are open. This has traffic stop and go from Hesperian. That's traffic. I'm Katie Green.
Come strengthen your pack at the new Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca. With over 50 attractions, we wanted to see how many we can name in the remaining seconds of this ad.
River Canyon Run, Oliver's Moonstone Maze, Tin Paw Bowling, Howler's Peak Ropes Course, Magi Quest, Slaptail Pond Wave Pool, Build-A-Bear Workshop, Storytime, a 4-story water
Only
fort,
40 more to
Pookie
go.
Hills, Wolf Toes.
And now that a getaway to Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca is just a short ride away, families have time to experience every attraction at the lodge. Great Wolf Lodge. Strengthen the pack.
This report.
Newt Gingrich here with a warning for homeowners. You could already be the victim of home title theft and not have a clue. Some cyber thief may have already forged his name onto the title to your home. Here's how to find out. My partners at Home Title Lock have a special free offer for you. Go to HometitleLock.com, then simply enter your address for your free, no-obligation home title scan. This will tell you if a cyber thief is camping on your home's title. The title to your home is the only document that proves you own it. But once he forges your signature stating he's the owner, he can take out loans on your home. First things first, let's make sure your home's title is securely in your name. Do that by going to HometitleLock.com and use my promo code RADIO. Then enter your address for your free, no-obligation home title scan. That's a $100 value free. Again, that's HometitleLock.com code RADIO. HometitleLock.com code RADIO.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Safeway with great news. You can earn Safeway rewards with each purchase you make. Then use your rewards for discounts on groceries or up to 20 cents off per gallon in gas rewards at participating Chevron or Texaco stations and up to $1 off per gallon at participating Safeway fuel stations. Not a member? Register for an account with your phone number at checkout and start earning rewards today. Restrictions and exclusions apply. Learn more at Safeway.com/for-you. This is Stephanie from Safeway, and we'll see you soon.
Universal Studios Hollywood is where the holidays come together. We've tested it. Festive food with refreshing Coca-Cola. Family, friends, and fa-la-la. Dazzling lights cranked up to maximum merriment. The Grinch and his dog Max stealing your tree. All the science adds up. It's the awesomest celebration of the season. Save $20 on a Coca-Cola 2-day general admission ticket. Offer ends 12/14/22. Restrictions apply. Details at universalstudioshollywood.com/Coke offer.
Don't hack pork. African swine fever is a deadly virus that affects pigs in countries around the world. It's not dangerous to humans, but people can spread the disease by bringing pork or pork products with them when they travel. So far, the virus hasn't reached the U.S., but if it does, an outbreak could severely impact American farmers and their communities. Not only would it kill millions of pigs that supply our food, it could cost our country billions and cause thousands of hardworking people to lose their jobs. Do your part to stop the spread. Don't pack pork when you travel to the U.S.
Kings County Behavioral Health is currently seeking community feedback via survey that will assist the Behavioral Health Department with understanding the existing behavioral health needs of Kings County residents. To participate in this anonymous survey, visit kcbh.org. That's kcbh.org. Survey results will be used to develop a Kings County Behavioral Health Needs Assessment and are part of the community program and planning process. This ad was funded by the Mental Health Services Act, Proposition 63.
Questions? Call 8444-the-USA to get the answers. 844-484-3872. The Dan Bongino Show.
Yeah, hat tip, my man Dick Johnson. We needed, I needed a little of that. I need a little boost this morning. An okay but not so great election. Hurricane slams my house. I got stuff in my backyard. I don't even know where it's from. By the way, listen, I'm not much of a boater. I go out on a friend's boat once in a while because I'm not really a water guy. The only water I knew in New York City was the fire hydrant. So it wasn't really my bag of donuts, but I like the water. I go out with my buddy Arvin down here, good guy. Takes me out on a boat once in a while. Don't throw stuff in the ocean, man. I mean, it's just obnoxious. You don't realize how much crap people throw in the ocean. I do now because it's all in my backyard. Right, Paula? There's like wooden stakes everywhere, like vampire killer stakes. I'm like, I come in, I go, Paula, where the hell do these stakes come from? She's like, I have no idea.